I'm sorry. I'll
All
make it
wrong.
better again. Goodbye.
Morris watched Jean constantly waiting for her to make a mistake. He started to get angry more often and would not speak to her for hours on end. As a result, she began to believe what he said, so she steadily did less. The abuse got to the point where he no longer said anything nice to her. Morris would not touch Jean, and he decided to sleep in the spare bedroom. Quote from Jean. Quote from Jean. Was the loneliest time. Oh. This was.
I didn't see.
Come on.
This is really the loneliest time of my life. I feel so alone, unloved, and unwanted.
You know for the fact that for how many years you haven't sexed me, so now I will file a divorce.
Divorce?
File.
No.
My husband.
Bad husband.